Today I'm going to talk about the population growth and the negative impacts in the environments. Yeah, especially nowadays we are facing a lot of problems about the climate change also, and what are the major issues about the climate issues, how it is increasing, and how the population growth is increasing, and how we can control about the population growth. That also I'm going to talk right now. So first of all, we have to give the information to the peoples, and we have to provide the educations about the population growth also, and how can we control the population growth. About the health also, we have to give the message, we have to give the informations from the media, so we can conduct the such programs about the population growth, and we have to find the solutions. If we're finding the problems, then we have to find the solution as well. And the climate change also, and the pollution also. What are the major issues of the pollutions? First of all, we have to talk about these ones. The pollutions, there are the if the uh, bad chemicals is mixing to the pure environments, then the environment will be the pollutions also, it will increase. There are the different pollutions like air pollutions, and sound pollutions, and water pollutions, and the soil pollutions, like this we are facing nowadays. And first of all, I'm going to talk about the water pollutions, and the air pollutions, and the soil pollutions, like these ones. First of all, uh, and deforestation. The major problem is the deforestation also. This is also the increasing every day, deforestation. So how can we conserve the environments, how can we protect our environments? We are inhaling the oxygens, and outhailing the carbon dioxide, and this is the chain rules, and this is the we have a chain rules with the all the living beings. Without oxygen we can survive in the earth also. So we all living beings need the oxygen to breathe, and we need the water also. And if we are living in the earth, then we have to conserve the environment first of all, and we have to concern about the environments. We have to give the message to all peoples about the conservation programs and afforestation programs, and how can we save our planet to our juniors peoples also. We have to educate them, and from the media also, and we can provide the information about this one. So and these wildlife, and water animals, all the animals, how can we conserve these, the rare animals also, how can we protect them, how can we give them the safe environments, how can we live in a safe environments? First of all, we have to think about that one also. So there are a lot of things. Today I'm going to talk about it, and maybe this one will be the good ideas if we provide such information uh, to the medias also, to other peoples also. If we provide the good message about the environments, how can we conserve, how can we protect our environments. But first of all, how can we conserve the water resources? First of all, we have to think about that, and we have to apply in our daily life also. If someone is throwing the garbage in the water areas or water sources, then we have to stop such a habit, such a behavior, and we have to provide the information to the other people also. We have to educate them. We have to provide the education about the cleaning program, cleaning programs, or cleaning message. We have to give them, and clean how we can clean the how can we can make pure our environments. And if someone is throwing the garbage or the chemicals or chemical waters from the industry, from the homes, and I like that urination, that uh, garbage like this. If we are mixing the water, then water will be polluted. And if we are doing these habits, if we are doing such activities, then we have to stop right now. We have to do it. And we have to, first of all, when we are throwing the garbage, we have to categorize this, that uh, I mean, this can be reused also. So which renewable and non-renewables, some can be, we can renewable recycle, like that we can separate that one. And other we can, which one is that's perishable and non-perishable. Perishable we can make this one is for our in the fields we can, and for the crops, and for the plants it will be good for the these perishable items. So we can make this one in a home also, like like these activities we have to do. And another one thing is air pollutions. What are the major cause, major reasons of the air pollutions? From the vehicles also, and from the industry also, they're the harmful gas. That's carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is 98% in the environment. So and if the nitrogen is higher, if the other carbon dioxide is higher in the environment, then it is negative impact in the all living beings. So we have to stop the that the vehicles which is old, or if the vehicles, from the vehicles, if the this carbon monoxide, nitrogen, this one is growing more, increasing more in the environment, then we have to stop such vehicles. And in the, from the industry also, if the smoke, that smoke is going in the mixing in the fresh air, then the air is pollution, air will be the pollution. So we have to stop this. First we have to give the information to all the peoples about this. So, and afforestation program, that we have to give the information to all the peoples for for the plantations, all the junior peoples who are, and we can give the education also about the afforestation. We can launch the afforestation program, we can conduct the afforestation program to the peoples, um, where there is no plants, if there is no free, that I mean there is no plants in the areas, then we can plant, we can organize the plantation programs also. We can give the information and we can apply, we have to apply. So, and another one is, yeah, soil pollutions. If that there is a perishable and non-perishable, and there's we have to categorize this one, but we have to stop. If someone is throwing the garbage in out areas, then we have to stop. We have to tell them, we have to give the information to other people also, not to throw the garbage in the outside areas. We have a dustbin, so we have to keep that in a dustbin area. We have to give the information about that one also. And we have to make safe, we have to be safe, we have to make, we have to be healthy, we have to make our environment fresh. Like this we have to give the information, uh, we have to, yeah, give the education. We are doing the bad things, we are doing the wrong things, so we have to give them the proper information about this one, then we can correct all activities. Thank you.